if you want a cough rub that doesn't make your chest feel like it's on fire and actually works as a decongestant and an expectorant, then you should try my cough rub, because I've done a lot of research, okay, um, into figuring out exactly what it is that works inside of our bodies to make it so that we can not only get rid of the ick that is built up inside of us, but then continue to help heal as well. And so, yeah, I made this, and it works really well for my kids, and it works really well for me. And so I think it'll work really well for you.